Let's translate the following words into an algebraic expression using variables, constants, and operation symbols. We're given, a man willed his estate as follows: 3,593 to each of his 2 sons, and 5,000 to each of his 3 daughters. The rest was given to his wife. How much did his wife receive? To interpret this into an algebraic expression, we'll first describe a variable representing how much his wife would receive. We'll call this variable y. Yet we see that we don't know how much money he originally had. So if he's willing 3,593 to his 2 sons and 5,000 to his 3 daughters, we do not know how much he originally had that we're also subtracting this amount from. So we also need to represent a variable that represents his total estate. So we'll describe the variable x as his total estate. So in words, let's let y be how much money his wife will receive, as well as another variable x, which will be the value of his total estate. So we see that if x represents how much total he has, that from this each of his 2 sons would get 3,593. This would be the same as taking that amount, 3,593, and multiplying it by 2. This would be the total amount that is being deducted from his total for his sons. Similarly, each of his 3 daughters is receiving $5,000, so we could interpret this as 5,000 multiplied by 3. So his total estate x we would deduct 3,593 times 2 for his sons and 5,000 times 3 for his daughters. Subtracting these 2 amounts from his total would be how much his wife would get. So we could represent this algebraically now as the total value of his estate, take away how much his sons would get, 3,593 times 2, and we would also subtract 5,000 times 3 for his daughters. This would be the amount of money his wife would receive, which would be the variable y. So, to represent our situation, our final answer becomes y equals x minus 3,593 times 2 minus 5,000 times 3. That's our final answer.